So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is a black bean stuffed sweet potato that I made earlier today. Now this is a great meal if you want to add in more plant-based versions of protein into your diet. And it's also low budget friendly too. So you don't have to worry about spending too much money on creating this meal. But I'll show you the spices that I use that I have readily available. So I'm bringing them all out. And the great thing about this black bean stuffed sweet potato meal is you can use the leftover beans that you have for leftovers in other meals. So say, you're making a grilled chicken the next day, you can use the black beans as a side dish. Or, you just want to do something vegetarian, you can add them like in a quesadilla or something like that. Or you can add them to a grain bowl that you're going to do. I saw that someone said they like, their son likes rice and eggs. You can do whole grain rice, with the egg and put some beans on top of it with this recipe. It can be something that's versatile and creative and plant-based too. So these are the spices that I used. I also, use some fresh garlic here too. So I started off with some oregano, some dried oregano that I have here. And then a little bit of chili powder. I need to get more cumin, but I did cumin. Just regular iodized salt. Here we go, that's the front. Some fresh ground black pepper. Again, these are things that I already have available in my pantry. And then some red pepper flakes to give it an extra kick too. And I used fresh garlic that I minced up. All right, so these are things that you can play with. You don't have to follow the recipes exactly as they are. Say you want to substitute something for something else, you can always do that. So I'm going to show you the final version of the black bean stuffed sweet potatoes. I'm going to bring it out right now. All right, use my foot to close it. And here we go. That's the final version that we see right here. So it's black beans mixed in with the recipe ingredients that you'll see in the chat function. I put in a little cheese on top of it to melt it. What I'm going to do when it's time to serve is maybe add a little bit cilantro. I have some avocados, so I might slice some avocados on there. But this is something that's also extremely filling. I'm a small person, so it's not too heavy for me. But half of it is going to be very, very filling. Sweet potatoes and beans are something that are very high in fiber. So this is something that you can, whip up very easily with your family. And you can add any garnishes that you have on top of there. I have some people who put, sour cream on top of it. They can do a different type of, maybe a low sodium salsa. I personally like some cilantro and avocado slices on top of it. So that's how I'll be doing it.